In 2023, what is the best app to use to buy crypto as a complete beginner? Today, I'm going to talk you through them and explain to you how to buy crypto easily right now this second, so you're in the right place. Now, there's a lot of crypto brokers and apps out there. Crypto.com in the top left-hand corner there, Binance in the bottom left-hand corner, and Coinbase in the middle are the three biggest brokers. The one I'd recommend using is Crypto.com as a beginner because it is so very simple. Now, I'm going to leave a link to Crypto.com in the description down below, where if you sign up using my link to buy some crypto, you get $25 of free crypto, and I get the same. So if you're going to sign up, definitely I'd recommend using my link down below. However, the reason why I like Crypto.com, as I was saying, is because as I open it up right here, it's very simple to use and beginner friendly. So firstly, once you've downloaded the app and you've signed up, you're then going to open the app for the first time, and you'll be on this screen right now, the home page where you can see your total balance, which will say 0. Mine is blocked out. You'll see the daily movers in crypto, i.e. Bitcoin, BNB, Kronos, maybe Ethereum. But if you're looking to buy crypto, right, the first thing that you need to do is deposit money. So select deposit, then select fiat, because I'm guessing you have no crypto before. Then select the currency you'd like to deposit with. And then the way it works on Crypto.com is you log onto your bank, you select make a transfer, pay somebody else, and you type in these details of Crypto.com on the screen right now. This is all of their details. You have to put the reference number. That is a key thing to put. Otherwise, you might end up in a bit of trouble. But this, again, I'm not a financial advisor guide. I'm not offering financial advice, but once you make that transfer, the money then goes from your bank account to Crypto.com, the app, and it enters into your fiat wallet. Now, what this does, it then means that you can buy crypto using all of that money you've just transferred over, like a simple bank transfer. They don't take any fees when you transfer via bank transfer, which is another reason why I think it's quite good. Because sometimes you can top up with a card and they charge a lot of fees. But you select buy, you choose the crypto you want to buy, so in this case Bitcoin. You select pay one-time buy, pay by cash, and then you just type in the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. It shows you your cash balance. You select buy that much Bitcoin, and boom, the job is done. And that is how you buy crypto easily as a beginner in 2023 on Crypto.com, the app. I think it's one of the simplest to use. It's one of the simplest to track, and then you can go on to do a lot more stuff with your crypto if you like to. There are some other good brokers out there, but for me, I think as a beginner, if you're somebody who's going to buy it and hold forever, this is quite a simple place to do it and quite a secure place to do it as well, supposedly, as they claim to be regulated in many countries and have a good reserve backing of crypto to real digital, real assets, basically. But again, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but I hope this helped you out.